Hey everyone, and welcome to today's video. So we've got a nice simple one for you. It's on the F54, and I've not seen many videos like this, so I thought I'd start recording anything I've removed off this car and show you guys. So I've got a simple one today. If you want to upgrade your side repeaters, or if you want to replace them because they're damaged, etc., you need to change a bulb, etc., it's nice and easy to do. We just have to pop this off. You don't need any tools. You can literally just use your fingers. So I'll bring the camera in close and show you how to remove this. Okay, so just to remove this, all we need to do is get our fingers in front and we're sort of pushing backwards and pulling out at the same time. And we see that's just come out. It's limited there, and then we push forwards and we've got the cable here. Let me twist this off so I can show you. So if we look on the back of there, that is just a spring clip that was pushed onto there, and these hooks just on the back were hooked around there. So if you needed to change this bulb, you could, and the bulb's easy, it just pulls out. If you want to put that back on, we just obviously twist the bulb holder back in, back end, we hook around, then simply push that in, and that's that removed. So again, just pull out, then pull forwards, and it's off the car. Hook this back edge on, and then push that front end in to clip it in place. Okay, so that was a super easy video, literally how to remove this. Obviously, if you've got an upgraded piece, you just connect the bulb holder into the new upgraded one. This may be, if you've gone for one of the aftermarket ones, you literally just have to remove the bulb and clip it into where the bulb would come out to. I've seen those as well. But that's a simple video on how to remove that. If you found it useful, please hit that like button, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you get alerts every time we upload new content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.